Amrita and Pushkar. How are you two doing?
I'm very well. Thank you, Shilpa.
And
Fine, thank you, Shilpa.
hi. Are you both of you in Mumbai presently?
Yes, we are.
And are you both out and about shooting for your various projects?
Not really, actually. I was shooting the last month, but then because of the entire COVID situation, the shootings have been, kind of getting a little haywire. But yeah, we are all adjusting to the new normal since about a year and a half now.
Yeah, and it's a new adjustment every time.
Yes,
right?
every time, yes.
What about
I
you,
think
Pushkar? Are you out and about shooting?
No. Same with me. I'm not shooting right now. I shot in January, but now I'm at home and taking care of my family and my daughter.
All right.
I'm waiting for my release now. So I'm very excited for Well Done Baby's release.
Good to know the two of you are staying safe, staying home, because as we know, the shootings in Mumbai have been greatly impacted by the second wave, especially. So, which brings me to my next question. Was Well Done Baby shot during COVID?
no, it was not. So this baby was not a COVID baby.
No, baby.
This was, the times were more free and हवा में एक बहुत ही अलग किस्म की खुशबू हुआ करती थी. ये उस जमाने की बात है.
Those were the days, Those were the days.
Yeah, you don't know those are the good old days till you're in the bad new days, right?
Yeah.
So what was the appeal of Well Done Baby for each of you? It's a very young, modern script about an urban couple. But what was the specific appeal that it had for you? Pushkar, I want to start off with you.
It was very close to me as many aspects from the film I have lived myself. The film is about relationships, about parenting, it's about pregnancy. So, when my wife was pregnant, I lived it throughout, So a lot of aspects from the film are very close to me as I have lived them myself. So that was the special thing for me.
All right. Yes, as a dad of two kids, of course, you've been through this yourself. And Amrita, what was the appeal of the script for you?
If you see, though, the character in the film is a very ambitious, is a very workaholic person, and she's already working through a failed marriage, and उसमें वो लोग pregnant हो जाते हैं. I think the real deal was एक तो I think what was very challenging for me is कि 20 दिनों की shooting में और पूरे 2-2.5 घंटे की फिल्म के पूरे इंटरवल में आपको आपकी पूरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज चेंज करनी है from being this troubled girl in a troubled marriage to being pregnant from 1 month to 2 months to 4 months to 9 months to delivering the baby. So I think what really was challenging for me was the entire body transformation of the character. And what was very appealing to me is the relationship that the character shares with her mother. I share somewhat, a similar relation with my mother. And I know that, how mothers can be pressing out of love. They can be pressing and, kind of suffocating the couple.
That was a very interesting, role about a vlogger mother, which I really love. Vandana Gupte, of course, plays your mother in it, the vlogging mother-in-law. And that's really cool because a lot of films, they don't really weave in the modern times that we're living in.
True.
But here, technology has been woven in, and that too in a very funny way.
Yeah. See, the whole thing was that because they are a couple who are staying abroad, her mother stays with her. And, ऐसा नहीं है that एक तो single mother दिखाई है. And then she brings her child, her only girl child, with whatever she can, bring her with. एक तो आज भी अगर आप बंदुताई के साथ बैठो तो आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता that she is some veteran actress, आपको ऐसा लगता है that you're speaking to a friend of yours. You are really talking to somebody who understands what the generation is today, what the generation wants today. So I think Vandana Tai was herself in the entire film. And we really had a blast. Like I keep telling this to Pushkar that even though, it's story about a couple going through, their day-to-day problems and everything, Vandana Gupte brings a beautiful angle of the generation कि जिनको पता ही नहीं कि अच्छा मतलब पेरेंटिंग के लिए कोर्स होता है यार, हमको तो पता नहीं था, हमारे टाइम में तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था. या फिर क्या कौन से लमाज क्लासेस, ये क्या होते हैं, घर का काम करो भाई, उससे ज्यादा आई मीन इट्स बेटर कि आप घर पे काम करो एंड दिस एंड दैट. एंड सो शी ब्रिंग्स इन दैट फ्रेश अप्रोच ऑफ द जनरेशन की she wants to be in sync with her children.
And what about you, Pushkar? She plays your vlogging mother-in-law, who records your most embarrassing moments. Now, you are a popular actor. Do all these vloggers come up to you, or like even fans come up to you and do some vlogging activities? And tell me, have you had any funny encounters of that sort?
No, not really. I haven't encountered had an encounter with a blogger or something. But that's so interesting, this is a real, this story is inspired by a true family. I have a friend in Canada who lives with his wife there and the mother-in-law. So, what problems and what challenges they face when the mother-in-law also, happens to interfere in their marriage, and, what all happens there. It's inspired by a true family. So all the more Weldon Baby is more relatable to the couples living abroad or living in India. So, I'm really excited for the reactions, what I'm going to get.
Well, I think the way divorce has been handled in this film is a very modern take on it. It's very sensitive and it's also very pragmatic, right? And that's what filmmakers now are doing, exploring relationships in ways we haven't seen before.
See, truly, what you've said is so beautifully put by you only. I think divorces या फिर breakups या फिर separation को इतना ज़्यादा pathos ना देके हमने उसको एक we've just kind of tried to bring these things in the film that there need not be like huge differences in your opinions, or the husband has to cheat on the wife or the wife has to cheat on the husband. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Little differences that happen between a couple, between two people, can really go up to a level where today's people feel कि नहीं यार मेरा नहीं बन सकता इस बंदी के साथ या इस बंदे के साथ. And that we've shown. हमारा कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे और पुष्कर के रिलेशनशिप में इन द फिल्म दैट ओ माय गॉड यार इसको छोड़ना ही चाहिए. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just a difference of opinion. It is just different way of living lives. But how, because of one child, how both these stubborn parents come together, and at the end of the day, if you want somebody in your life, any adjustment that you do should not seem like a compromise. It should come out of love. So that is what our film is showing.
Well, it is a family drama, but it's not melodramatic.
No, absolutely not.
No.
Yes, Pushkar.
We tried not to make it melodramatic. We wanted to keep it very real, we wanted couples to relate with it. As Amruta rightly said, it's just about how relationships can be mended. We have to work around our relationships. Of course, there are going to be challenges, there are going to be complexities, but we got to work around it. And does a baby help in that? Does the baby help in getting the parents back together? What does the 9-month period be like for the couple? We always say about, you want to take care of the girl, you got to take care of her, but nobody talks about the man's mentality, what he's going through for those 9 months.
True.
So even we have addressed that as well in the film.
All right, that's going to be interesting to watch. And what also interesting to me is that it's directed by Priyanka Tanwar, debutante director, but it's a female gaze, right? Did that really help matters, Amrita, you think?
Priyanka was another baby on the set, so we had to really take care of her. But no, I think she comes from, I think she comes from a school of thought where she's worked with Aamir Khan, where she's worked with several directors, and she brings in a very fresh perspective. And she is amazing with actors. She gives her actors all the freedom that they require. We discuss about a scene. Then I tell her what I feel. Then she'll tell, but Amu, see, if you do this, then ye bhi acha hoga. So yeah, she's hyper energetic.
Yeah.
If I'm saying this, Shilpa, trust me, she's hyper energetic. But I had fun shooting with her. She knew exactly what she wanted. And, you know, I have to say this. आपका जो पिछला वाला सवाल था, like how Pushkar put it so beautifully, कि does the baby kind of bring her parents together? So, you know, ये मैंने in fact Weldon Baby के बाद जाना है कि a child recognizes the mother with her smell and the father with her voice. And I think it is so amazing that, you know, I mean, you become a part of a film, and then after that, you just start rediscovering things about life so brilliantly. So I think Weldon Baby did that to me, and you know, that is something. This was something that I kind of discovered, you know. So I think that is really nice.
So that was really a learning experience for you. And more fun, huh? So Pushkar, she was telling me about working with Priyanka, who's apparently very hyper, and now I can see Amrita self-admittedly has a lot of energy herself. How was it working with these two hyperactive women?
These two, there was one more. So these three ladies. Oh my God. There was one.
We have bullied the hell out of
Pushkar.
The hell out. I mean, he is such a patient guy. I have to give it to him. He really impressed me with his charm.
That's some high praise coming from your co-star.
Yeah, it is. No, it was difficult because I was co-producing the film as well. So, you know, I had to manage both the production and performing to my best level as well. So it was difficult, and you know, these three ladies made it more exciting for me. More
challenging. He didn't say made it easier. He said more exciting.
That's a good way to put it up, isn't it?
I like that. Last year, when Parasite won at the Oscar, Bong Joon-ho said that subtitles are no longer going to, you know, keep people back. If they can only overcome the barrier of subtitles, they can explore so much more cinema. Now, a lot of non-Marathi speakers can also access this because it's on Amazon Prime directly with subtitles, right? And as actors who work in Marathi cinema, do you think this is true that especially with the lockdown, do you think people have been discovering more of regional cinema?
I think they are discovering cinema in general. I think they are discovering good content in general. And it's not just about regional films. It's not just about Hindi films. I think एक जो कहते हैं ना जो एक दर्जा होता है किसी भी फिल्म का या किसी भी कंटेंट का वो बहुत ऊपर जाता हमको दिख रहा है. And because of OTT platforms, I'm telling you, Shilpa, all these barriers about ये तो regional film है, ये तो हिंदी film है, ये तो Hollywood film है, धीरे धीरे सब खत्म हो जाएगा. And what people will get to see is like real pure content. And I think that is what we're aiming for. For about 2 years now, the film was, you know, we were worried that whether it's going to see the light or not. But we are very happy that Amazon Prime is premiering it, and not a lot of Marathi films are being premiered on such a huge platform. And I have had people कल तक मतलब मेरे जिम में अरे आपको देखा, आपका ट्रेलर देखा फिल्म का, ये वो, तो और क्या चाहिए, you know? At the end of the day, people watch it. That's the only concern that any producer, actor, director has.
And the producer of the film, the co-producer of the film, what do you feel about that?
Truly. I feel making a film is very easier, like comparatively very easier, but releasing it and, you know, like just releasing it, distributing it is a tough part. You know, as Amrita rightly said, content is king, you know, because you shoot in London, you shoot in New York. You know, your content is going to speak. So truly, it's because of this OTT platforms, people are watching many films of different languages, and we are happy that, rather I'm happy that Weldon Baby is going to be seen by many people, many non-Maharashtrian people as well. So, you know, it gets a wider audience, it gets a wider reach, and of course they're going to be all safe in their houses watching the film. That's the most important part. We wanted them to be safe. So I'm pretty excited that, you know, non-Marathi people also can watch our film.
Well, Mala Marathi karte, but I want to watch it with subtitles so I can understand it better. Yeah, I'm going to watch it with the rest of them.
Please, Shilpa, do.
On 9th April. It was very lovely talking to the two of you. Thank
Same
you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you for being so warm, yeah. Thank you.
No,
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you so much. Thank you.
absolute pleasure. Take care.
Thank
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.